How to fix Discord notifications not showing up on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Discord application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to go back and tap on the settings of the device. Then tap on apps after scrolling down and then tap on manage apps. Now you can just search for the app on the search bar. Now I'm gonna just scroll down after the list of the apps pops up. Now just scroll down and you can see the option of Discord. So open up. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. Tap on clear data, clear cache, and OK. After that, tap on app permissions and make sure that you have enabled the files and media over here. After that, go back and you can see the option of notifications. So here it is toggled off right now. Make sure that you toggle on this option and you'll be able to receive the Discord notification. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.